motherboard dead issues, green line issues, bloatwares, expensive replacement parts. If I'm not already clear, I was talking about OnePlus. And if you still want to buy an OnePlus device or want to know which is the best OnePlus device of 2024, this is probably the only video you need to watch. But first, these are the OnePlus phones you should definitely stay away from. Starting the list with the OnePlus phones released before 2023, that includes phones like the OnePlus Nord, Nord CE2 Lite, OnePlus 10R, 10T, OnePlus 10 Pro, OnePlus 9, 9R, 9RT. I mean, you get it right. Those phones were good when it was launched, but definitely won't be a good decision to buy them right now, especially when these older devices are more prone to hardware issues after software updates. And also don't buy these phones just because they have OnePlus in the names, as these were made for the US regions, which are basically the OnePlus Nord series, kind of rebranded for US or the outer regions. So yeah, don't buy these. Then let's talk about last year's phones. The first phone in this list is the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite. It maybe was a good phone when it came out last year, but definitely not a good phone at this price right now. You get a 6.72-inch IPS display when most phones around this price offers good AMOLED displays, and also it runs on Snapdragon 695, but you can find phones with a much better processor around this price. So makes no sense to buy them now. Now you might think that okay, at least I can buy the OnePlus Nord 3, right? It has an AMOLED display and with a much better processor. Nope. Yes, this phone has better specs as compared to the Nord CE3 Lite, but this one has heating and battery life issues, especially when you start using this heavily. And also again, you will find better phones around this price. So again, a no-go for this one too. OnePlus 11R might actually make you think that it's a better phone option, especially when you can find this around or under 30,000 rupees. But again, you do have better options around this range, even though it has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 inside. You can actually find better OnePlus devices around this price as compared to this one. But yes, I won't buy this in 2024 or when it's almost 2025. The only phone I will recommend you from last year with a condition though is the OnePlus 11. Now the condition is that if you can get this around 35,000 rupees, only then this could be a good deal. Now it is around 37 to 38,000 rupees. You could get it at this price, but there already exist better phones around this price range. But at 35,000 rupees, it would be a really good deal. First, it was meant to be a flagship phone, and it was a good flagship phone. It has really good display, maybe not the brightest one as compared to the more recent phones. So you will probably get all the power you need with this one. And this one also had good rear cameras. So yeah, a good phone around 37,000 rupees, but will only recommend you to get this under or around 35,000 rupees. And if you need a folding phone, you can check out the OnePlus Open. You can get that around 1,05,000 rupees during sales, but only would recommend this to those who wants a folding phone in a budget, as you can find better normal phones at much cheaper pricing than that. Now let's see what 2024 OnePlus phones to get and also the ones not to. Starting with the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and other than a slight better camera and an AMOLED display, a bigger battery and maybe a new design, it's basically the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite, or worse, OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite, because most of the specifications are exactly the same as compared to those phones. So I wouldn't recommend anybody to buy this, especially around 18 to 20,000 rupees. Instead, if you can increase your budget to around 22,000 rupees, then you get a much better OnePlus phone, that is the OnePlus Nord CE4, which around 22,000 rupees is a really good deal. For this price, it has a good display, good primary camera, and obviously a powerful Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor inside with a long-lasting battery. Now yes, the phone has risk of getting damaged after updates, but that's pretty much with any OnePlus device right now. So whether to buy or not is totally up to you. But for the price, it's a really good phone and also a much better OnePlus phone than the OnePlus Nord 3 or even the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, if somehow you were planning to buy those. Increasing your budget further will explain why I told you not to get the OnePlus 11R. It is because of the OnePlus Nord 4. It has a metal unibody with Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 inside, which is very much comparable to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and also has slight better cameras and even more software updates. Even the budget OnePlus phones now do come with bloatwares, which is definitely not good, but experience-wise pretty solid. You can easily get the 256GB version with UFS 4.0 speeds under 30,000 rupees during sales, so not a bad OnePlus phone for the price. Then around 35,000 rupees, I already recommended you the OnePlus 11, but if for some reason you want a more newer device with a little more powerful chipset, little better display in terms of brightness, and a bigger battery, only then you can go for the OnePlus 12R, as you can get it around 36,000 rupees for its 128GB variant or around 38,000 rupees for the 256GB variant. But do mind, both of them are with the UFS 3.1 storage speeds, no USB 4.0. So if you don't care about a better camera, a better premium feeling, then you can get the OnePlus 12R, but again, better phones can be found around this price. But if you want to go all in for an OnePlus device or want the best OnePlus device for 2024, it will be the OnePlus 12, and you can get it around 60,000 rupees right now during the sales. And for that price, it's a really good option, be it in terms of solid build quality, good display, good cameras with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 inside, and obviously a good battery life. Meaning you get an overall good package for the price and basically one of the best phones for that price. And obviously it's a flagship phone, so it will give you that flagship experience. So these were the best phones or the OnePlus phones to buy in 2024 according to me, and do let me know if you were planning to buy an OnePlus device or not. This video is about why OnePlus might be failing in 2024. You can give that a watch, and as always, till the next one, this was Rideep. See you guys.